are putting in a trench drain here. So right now the client actually has water back flowing into this area, and then a bunch of pooling along the front edge and in this area over here. So what we're gonna do is go along this edge, cut a slot out, put trench drain in here, come right across the front, all the way across, do a little return here, and then across the front of the single door here. We may even just do straight across. I'll have to think about that. But yeah, anyway, and then come back in, and so all the water that runs off, right now there's some big pooling issues, especially in this corner. You can see where the concrete's dark there. It's really wicking up, and in this area where the concrete's dark as well, there's big pooling issues in there. So the bottom of the garage door is track is starting to rust, the door's been freezing down. So maybe we're gonna start cutting and get this whole thing going. So see you later. Okay, we're back here today. We got all our layout was done yesterday. We got all our cutting in. You can see all these lines cut in yesterday. So we're gonna be breaking all this concrete out. We've given, we're gonna need a form in this front edge. So we cut a little bit of the asphalt out where we'll put our new form in, and then we'll have to patch that back in after. So basically now the process, as you can see, is break out the concrete. So we're gonna get all this broken out and then excavate for the trench drain and continue from there. So yeah, we'll see you when the concrete's broken out. I'm doing a voiceover here because the braking is quite loud. So just to let you know, we're using our mini excavator with the hydraulic braking point on it. It's a pretty light piece of equipment. It's the smallest they make, so we can take it on existing driveways and we won't cause any damage to the existing concrete. It's only about 2,500 pounds for the unit. So yeah, here we are just breaking out in small pieces. There's rebar in this slab, so you break out small pieces and then you gotta kind of remove them by hand. Okay, we're back. So we've got all the concrete removed, as you can see. And we've actually excavated out kind of a deeper trench in the middle where all the trench drains are going to go. You can see that orange string line is the line for the trench drain, so it's going to go butt into the catch basin there, and then so this section will slope that direction into the catch basin, and then that in front of the single door will slope back into the catch basin. I'll give you a kind of close-up of this catch basin. It's quite deep, actually. So there's this bucket that sits right in, which catches a lot of the solid stuff, and then it goes down. I think it's about 30 inches tall, and the capacity is about 25 gallons. So a lot of water fits in there, and the bucket just sits in there, and you can leave a pump in there, and then the grate sits on top. So yeah, so now we're going to install all the trench drain and all the rebar and get everything ready, and then we'll take another video after that. Okay, so here we are just about ready to pour. As you can see, the trench drain is all installed. We've got 3 neutral channels that slope with the slab coming towards the corner, and then we've mitered the corner, and then this all drains towards the catch basin. That'll get knocked out, so it'll drain into the catch basin, and then these 2 1-meter sections drain this direction into the catch basin, so all the water will be stored here. Basically, we've installed everything. The end caps are on, the joints are all caulked, everything is kind of set. We strung lines out to get everything nice and flat and straight. You know, the concrete's a little wavy, which is kind of par for the course a lot of the time, but we're pretty much ready to go, with the exception of we're going to put the grates on and then tape them so that when we pour concrete it doesn't go inside the drain. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So tomorrow morning is the big pour. We'll see you then. Okay, so here we are, pour day. We've got basically everything pretty much ready. We're doing a couple little things. Before we taped off the grates, I wanted to show you them. So we've installed all our grates. They actually clip in. There's little locking bars inside there. I don't know if you can see it. They just clip in and clip out. So they're all installed. They really give a nice fit and finish, nice clean look. They're all the way along, and then a return here. And then yeah, the water can just seep right in, and it'll get caught in the channel and go all the way down to the catch basin, and we're all done. So we'll take another video after we got some concrete in there. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so truck is here. The trench drain's all taped off. We tape off the top just to keep concrete from going inside. So we've got 3-meter return here, and then I think it's a total of about 8-meter run with the catch basin kind of closer to one end there. And we're all ready to go. We are ready to go. Got concrete, mix up a bit, and we'll be ready to go here. Okay, so we're putting in the concrete. One thing I wanted to show you here quickly is we pour it a little stiff, but then we take the vibrator and just slide it right in underneath the trench drain. So it'll help support it when you drive it over it, go all the way around and let the concrete flow right underneath. Okay, so we got our final product. Concrete's all poured and troweled in. You can see all the trench drain coming down the floor and then coming across to the catch basin, and then the piece in front of the single door that also drains into the catch basin. Turned out really nice. Definitely served the purpose.